Unlike traditional systems, our intelligent monorail system offers independent speed control, smooth movement, and wireless communication. Equipped with collision prevention sensors, it ensures seamless and safe operations. Meet the horizontal shift track module with a maximum load of 100 kilograms, offering precise positioning and flexible track shifts to optimize your workflow. Our system features speeds up to 1 meter per second, a maximum load of 50 kilograms, and high self-positioning accuracy, designed for flexibility and efficiency. The curved track module handles loads up to 500 kilograms per meter with ease, ensuring smooth transitions. Our modular components enable quick assembly, autonomous operation, and smooth start and stop functions, ensuring reliability and efficiency. The transport trolley module, with a maximum load of 50 kilograms and Wi-Fi communication, integrates seamlessly with the straight track module for a robust setup. Ideal for new energy, automotive electronics, and logistics, our system provides precise positioning and built-in data tracking, enhancing productivity. From transport trolleys to curved track modules, each component is designed for efficient assembly and quick setup. The power supply track module and T-type rotating track switch module ensure continuous power and flexible route changes. The vertical shift track module, lifting up to 70 kilograms, offers precise positioning and customizable lift heights, perfect for line changes and inspection. Transform your production today.